Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we need to do first the derivative of b, and the value of b we change for z, minus we need to do first the derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for z. Now we can apply the formula in here. So that should be about, we need to do first the derivative, the square root of x, and this one we change for z. Next, we need to do first the derivative of number 1, and the value of number 1 we change for z. So this one we have number 1 over number 2 with the square root of s. This one we have s. This one we have s square. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So we can simplify like this. And now we put number 1 gone here. That means we can put number 1 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 1 over number 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.